In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and managing additional fees in WooCommerce using our plugin. Follow these simple steps to apply dynamic fees based on cart totals and various rules. Let's dive right in. Once you activate the plugin, you will be redirected to this Getting Started guide. Here, you can review all the steps like first configure the title and charges, see the list of all the fees, then on checkout page how it will apply the charges, etc. Let's get started. First, click on Manage Fee to create a new fee. You can see the Add New Fee option. I have already created a fee for delivery charges, so let me edit it to show you the settings. In the Edit screen page first, add the fee title here. Then, select the type of fee, fixed or percentage. Set the default charges here. I have set it to 0 because it's a dynamic fee, applied based on the cart total. Now, scroll down to the bottom at Conditional Fee Rules, in which you can add additional rules to apply the fees. Here, you can configure the different rules. For example, I added a rule for the country United States. In the second rule, added cart total based rule. So here the fee applies if the cart subtotal is greater than $99 or more. Next, go to the Advanced Fee Pricing Rule section. In the left panel, scroll down to see Cost on Cart Total section. Here, you add multiple rules. For example, if the cart total is $99 to $199, the charge is $10. For the $200 to $299, it's $20. And for the $300 and above, it's $30 to apply delivery charges. After adding all the charges, click the below button, Update Fee, to save the settings. Settings have been saved now. Let's go to the front side now. Now, let's see this in action on the front end by adding few products to the cart. Click here to view cart. As you can see that the order total is less than $99, and no delivery charges are applied. Now, let's increase the product quantity here. Now update the cart here. Now you can see the order total is over $99, and the delivery charge is applied to $10. Add more product quantity to reach order above $199. Update the cart and you can see now the delivery charge is $20. Add more product quantity and update the cart to see the orders above $300. Update the cart. Now you can see the delivery charge is $30. So, let's proceed to checkout now. You will see the delivery charges applied over here. Now let's proceed for place the order. In the thank you page, you will see the order is successfully placed with the correct delivery charges to $30 for the order above $300. For premium plugin and unparalleled support, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Thank you for watching.